How to code a C500 Pro Key Safe, also applicable for a P500 Pro Key Safe. Remove the key safe from the box. Set aside the instructions for later use. They include the mounting template on the reverse. Remove the key safe from the packaging. Open the weather cover using the plastic tab and remove by unclipping from the hinge at the bottom. If the weather cover is tight, lightly tap the pull tab on the table edge. Open the key safe and remove the masonry screws from inside. Setting the code. Remove the code changing tool and red sticker from inside the key safe. Turn the open dial back to the locked position. Do not close the vault. A green arrow should be visible on the locking pin. There is a groove and an arrow on each dial. Using the code changing tool, insert the tab into the groove of the dial. Press in and turn the dial 180 degrees. This changes the status of that digit from off to on. Repeat this process until the recommended 5 to 7 digits are set. Once your code is set, place the red sticker back over the dials and return the code changing tool back into place. Close the front of the key safe and press down on the clear button. Enter your code on the keypad and turn the dial 180 degrees clockwise. Turn the dial 180 degrees anti-clockwise to lock the key safe. Your code is now set. Save a note of your code somewhere secure, as this is the only means of gaining access into the key safe.